I believe each one of us wants to be successful. Is that correct? Wala namang gusto mahirap lang forever or iniisip yung bukas. Diba? Wala namang ganun eh. But, just for you to ponder on, what is success? What is your definition of success? Yes. Fulfillment and happiness in the heart.
For me, success is contentment, fulfillment, and financial stability.
So, contentment, financial stability, that's correct. Actually, both are correct. Right? Mahirap naman maging fulfilled pero wala kang kinakain. Di ba? Ang hirap naman maging kontento pero wala nga kayong pambayad ng ilaw. Right? Actually, especially for us na lumaki sa probinsya, we always tend to be contented. Is that right? Kaya siguro after college, sabi ko, I need something in my life. I need to challenge myself. I need to step out of my comfort zone so I can be able to fulfill whatever it is. But I like also what Pres has mentioned, that for her, success is contentment. But for me, I believe success, actually tinanong ako ng pamangkin ko niyan last time eh. Sabi niya, tita, how to be successful? So I answered her back. Success varies from one person to another. When I didn't have the relationship with God before, I know God. I know who God is. But I didn't have a relationship with Him. Parang ganito. Sorry, what's your name? JR. I know JR. He's tall, he's dark, and he's handsome. Oh, ayaw niyo yun. Pero, I didn't have a relationship with Him. What does it mean? I don't know who He really is, what He can do, how can He impact my life. You see the difference of knowing God and having relationship with God. When I just knew who God is, I had three things in mind. I want to have our own house because all our lives nagre-rent lang kami. Number two, I want to have our own car. Kasi sa dami kong pinupuntahan na racket, naka-tricycle ako, bit-bit yung duffel bag ko na sobrang bigat. And pangatlo, gusto ko ng maraming pera. Are my dreams invalid? Mali ba yung pangarap ko? Maybe not, because pag lumaki ka sa hirap, it's okay to aspire. But when I knew and had a relationship with God, everything changed. Hindi na ako nagmamadali in life. Hindi na ako aligaga na kailangan ito yung trabaho ko, ganyan, para malaki yung sweldo. I learned to trust Him. And when I learned to trust Him, doon niya ako binigyan ng mas maraming blessing. And I just knew God 5 years ago when I was baptized as born again. Sabi ko, Lord, pagod na ako maging working student. Ayoko na ng habol sa career ko. What's your plan for me? So, I surrendered my life to God, and then everything changed. Nawalan ako ng trabaho as an employee because I resigned. And look what I'm doing now. This is our business. And our business is not as big as other businesses, but I am happy and fulfilled, just like what you said. Bakit? Because this is me giving back all the glory to God through trainings. And I'm very fortunate to be doing this. So, why did I ask you to write down your dreams? Because from today, starting today, I want you to be that person na may direction in life. I don't want you to be just a finalist for fashionista who's aiming for the crown. Remember, the crown for Mr. and Miss Fashionista is just one day. And who are you after crowning? That is way more important. Diba? And once you got the crown, it's just the beginning. People will look at you, will aspire to be like you, will be checking your social media pages, your TikTok, whatever you post, whatever you say, all eyes are on you. So what does it mean? There's a pressure. There's a pressure, and you have to be that role model. So ini-instill ko po sa mind ninyo ha, this is more than just the title. This is you being a real inspiration for your fellow youth. So why did I ask you to jot down all your values? Because your values will be your guidepost in your everyday life. Kunyari, ganito, after this training, inom tayo mamaya. Dati, don't get me wrong, pinagdaanan ko yan. Actually, tagal ko nga dyan eh. And I'm not saying this because I am proud, but because I understood, I had to underwent those experiences so I can have something to share. But I'm not telling you, inom kayo mamaya tapos para ma-share niyo yan sa future na nagbago kayo. No, it doesn't work that way. Ayan, nagtatawanan na yung mga maghihiyaan. Wala nang ganun, ha? So, again, because your values will be your guidepost, like just what he said, di ba? Ang values niya, he's family-oriented. And you will see, he tried going to other places para magtrabaho so he can support his family. Because that's his guidepost. Now, I want you to reflect, ano ba yung mga nilagay